You need to catch that view behind you, boy. Ja, ja.
Good.
Morning, just rise up, you know the vibe, and get ready. Blessings and get ready. Good view. See the view there? Nice view over this, man. Sea view. We're gonna leave out here now. You see me, I'm gonna go to Green Grotto cave and hopefully we can do dungeon for today. Trip of the day. Savannah, black short suit. The Converse, you know. Ready for the out now, see? So Roger deal with. Yeah, we come ready for you. TV, man.
My sister is a fan. I could do a full port as fuck. We heard one that is just like amazing. Yeah, you definitely have to come on.
I got there, so I watch. Too hot to handle. You ready, Margie? So this is the view. So me here so press our Capleton house. On the top of the hill there, so nice house. This is where we stayed. Look at the view, man. You feel it?
Good.
You need to catch that view behind you, boy. Ja, ja.
Good.
It's a good. Give me a phone, me take a picture here, right, so, bro.
I'm good. Feel all night, you know?
Look there, you want?
It's too quiet.
Outside. Let me take a picture, fam.
Yeah.
Outside, you know. I grab something quick, I want to. After 11, almost 12 o'clock. And we're there, we're going to just get some food to eat because we're sleeping. You know what I say? I don't can do that because true, we're going to go falls and we just sleep and watch it just so we don't have to make the trip to Manchester and back. So, today, Roger, the final day, bro. Yeah. Tomorrow,
Day?
yeah, tomorrow I just have to relax before your trip, man.
Because my trip is 7 at night.
Yeah, Friday. So tomorrow we just have to relax. And then now,
Let me think about it.
Friday we leave. You think about it?
Maybe we can
Can I do something tomorrow?
We can squish one more thing.
Yeah.
It depends.
I will see what's
Depends
happening.
on the budget.
Yeah.
The budget.
So yeah, depends on the budget of that we are going to work, you see me? So I go clock out now. I just go get, I just say want ice cream, so I go in a Burger King. You see? So just pull up a Burger King, get a tea, Raja get a milkshake. We are going to grab some food in the Island Grill. Quick things, because I don't want to stop on the roadside and I don't know about. So I grab something in the Island Grill. Grab something now for the menu. You say you want curry chicken, right? Yeah. Alright, so we're out in a Green Grotto cave, first time. Don't worry about my age, man. So we're out there, show them where I'm going. You know what I say?
Boy.
Welcome to the experience of what? The Green Grotto caves. So we're going to see what I'm going. Okay. Hopefully we can pay a card, so we're going to find out that. So it looks like that's a cave right there. They say it's a 45-minute tour. I can't do any recordings inside, but I can take pictures. So I have to go just take some pictures to them people. But this is it, we're at outside. So I go to the washroom real quick. And then we show you what go on a little more, you know? We're out in the Senans Bay. Yeah, out in the Senans Bay. We take the picture of them and go on some slides. But if it's nice, I'm going to tell you so you can come out and enjoy yourself just the same. You know, it's vibe, man. Just explore. You see me? Could record, but you see the pictures them out in the Green Grotto cave, you know the vibe. You see it. It's always a good look. Enjoy underneath there. One heap of history behind the thing. You see it? Mad. So we just left from out Green Grotto cave. Let's take a one look on the free beach. I'm say called Flavors Beach. Not much to see still, you know what I say? I mean, you can go into the water, but under the cleanest as you can see. You can come and park up and drink and eat and, you know, catch a vibe. You have the little craft market over there, so same way. And then they're outside, right? That's it, you know? Water. One to be Jamaica, you know, known for its beaches, one heap of water, man. Yeah. First, I come over here, so it's not bad. I mean, you can come and relax, but as I say, probably swim-wise, you don't have no sand on the side of the beach and things. It's like a dock, you know? Then you have the stall and see here, so. Yeah. That is it. I try to see if we can go over Margaritaville and see if there's anything better down there. So we just pull up over what you call over here, so? Richmond. You know what I say? Just pull up over Richmond and I go grab some Devanos ice cream. I just say, man, ice cream for it. Never know, so you could have come over here, so you know. And do it thing like people in park. Yeah. Come in, young boy. Yeah, man. You see?
I love ice cream.
Yeah, man, get some ice cream. You see it? Push, come show you. So just pull up in the, what you call this, sir? Restaurant slash grocery store over Richmond. As I said, I never know, so I do this to the public. So they have a restaurant right there, so that's what I have one for the menu. And they have a nice indoor dining area. Give you like a natural vibe, you know what I say? Put a nice size mini mart them up there.
I need
See it
something
there?
to munch when I'm watching.
Oh, watching your show? Oh, this is how the people them say me to make you try, bro. Tigers. So here, these, you have to try these two. Tigers, that is different from the other one.
Oh, this is the strawberry one. I don't know.
Yeah, you don't want that? But try this one.
All this one.
Take up our next one. Yeah, man, take one, yeah, man.
I think I'll go on cap noodles, bro.
Huh? So this is it. Nice mini mart, man. You know what I say? They have a lot of stuff in here. It's a nice spot. Yeah. You have a little bit of everything. Come here, you can check out the menu. So it's a nice mini mart for the people that come in. They don't have to go nowhere real far. You see all of the provisions and things. Yeah. So I check out and see what they have for them menu. Fruit cake there already. How much of them fruit cake? 21,000. So now go on. Yeah, I joke me, I make enough money I pass me up because I don't bake fruit cake and fruit cake better than them, I can't tell you that. Christmas fruit cake 21,000. Oh, I can't read it, 2,100. Alright, let's see what I go on here, man.
Hold on, pause.
I don't know. Take one? No, I guess she said. No, I guess she said because you train the kids them with football and thing, you know.
Okay.
So I can do an intro then.
Yeah, man, do it.
So we have Era Stevenson, that's all?
Yeah, man, Era
So I have Era Stevenson, former football player, right?
Pause again. Stevens.
Stevens,
Yeah,
Jano.
no problem, no
So,
problem, man.
so Errol Stevens, sorry.
Yeah.
We have Errol Stevens, former football player, you know what I say? And if you're then at the Richmond era in St. Anne, so if you have your kids and you want to get them into football, you know, if you link them up right, that's the same way.
69.
So tell
869.
869.
Yeah, man.
Jano, but I want to get me youth them in that
man.
still.
Boy
So
and
they
girl,
overseas.
girl now too.
Both of them.
Yeah, man.
So how contact details?
Contact details, Instagram, Life with the Stevens.
And YouTube, same thing.
YouTube, same. Yeah, man. And, yeah, man.
Yeah.
Easy,
So see boss the other time I tell him, I say one little man kick the ball from midfield straight in our goal. So you know say man do something, man do the right thing. You know what I say?
Yeah, man.
Yeah man, over here say nice and secure too. I know a lot of people are security are the main thing.
Yeah,
So you come and say you feel safe.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. And not for about nothing, they have a mini mart over here, so we just give you basically everything you want. So you can get a restaurant, food for buy same, so you don't come out to the kids refreshment the whole 9 yards. Yeah, this guy man. Jano. Well, big up me general, let's see it.
Gentlemen, take your kids.
Yes.
Join the team. And we'll have it done, alright? So
And your name for the camera, Kerry Ann Brown?
I'm Kerry.
Kerry, you know like the Ann?
Oh, it's fine. It's
Okay,
Kerry.
just Kerry.
So come on down with your kids, join the team, come out and have a good time. It's also motivation and it helps to groom the children in order for them to be
Sure.
rounded.
They have a sport to do, so they're not fit, stray, you know?
Come on
See
down
that?
here at Richmond. And yeah.
Come on, find man them feel, man. The man them are training, the man them are there, you know? Oh.
So this is the start for the young Jamaicans.
Yeah, true. Me love it, me love the work you put in, man. Go and do the right thing, you know? Alright, manners. Alright, thanks, sir. Yeah, I'm gonna get the food right now and head in. Nice, man. I tell you, the place nice, man. Watch it. So pull up on another Airbnb. You know what I say? Yeah. The walkie bathroom car. We never ready to go in at the zone. So get the next Airbnb and show how the yard look like. This look nice. Same persons own the building. Raja eat. Pull up and get some pasta over the place. You see me? Yeah man, the place nice man. Big old spot. Place proper. Owners are from England. They have a big next room downstairs, you see me? Then they have a balcony out as I said way. You see it. Nice man. And then over there so them so the fireman live. Cableton place nice. All heap of views, big old pool down at the back. See, I'm showing you the pool. They come on, but yeah man, people might do it man, big up the people, you see me? They might do the right thing.